Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to write the function in here. Y squared equal to 6x. The graph should be like this. S squared equal to 6y. The graph should be like this. The area we need to find, that should be about this one. Now, we know that the intersection in here, that's about 0. We need to find the second intersection in here. So, for this one we can put the square root. So, you will have about y equals to the square root of 6x. If we look on the graph, we can see that they just on the positive area. So, we just concentrate about the positive in here. This one we just divide by 6. And we will have about y equal to s squared over 6. Now we need to find the intersection in here. So this one we will have about the square root of number 6, the square root of s. This one we can write into the square root of s to the power of 4, because the square root of s to the power of 4 you got about s squared. This one represent into s to the power of 1 over 2. Number 4 multiplied by 1 over 2, you got about number 2. So we put this one go to the right. So the square root of s we can do about factorization. This one we know that s equal to number 0. Now we just find the solution of this one. So we put this one go to the right and multiply by number 6. So we know that number 6, that's about the square root of number 6 to the power of 2. With the square root of number 6, we combine this one. And we have the square root of number 6 to the power of 3. Now we same square root and the power 3, so s equal to number 6. And this intersection in here, that's about s equal to number 6. Now we need to set up about the integration. So this curl in here, that's about y equal to the square root of 6x. And this one is about lower, that's equal to s squared over 6. And now we have the integration from 0 to number 6. And we have the square root of 6x minus s squared over 6. So the square root, that's about the square root of number 6 and s to the power of 1 over 2. Now we have the final answer. The integration of s to the power of 1 over 2. That's about the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. This one we have s to the power of 3 over 3 and we multiply by 1 over 6. Now we put number 6 gone here, number 0 gone here, and we got the final answer. So this one you got about 0, so we just concentrate about this number in here. We calculate about this one and we got about 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.